We know that inspiration strikes when you're on the move, and the Kia Connect app is here to help you. While you are out looking for it, all you need is a smartphone or a smartwatch to access more than 66 smart features that'll elevate your Kia ownership experience. Weekend getaways don't need a special reason, but they do call for a little extra assistance. So the Kia Connect app helps you plan the perfect road trips with all the safety and security you may need. Let's take a closer look at how the Kia Connect app puts your safety first. With the help of the Geofence Alert, you can set boundaries within which you want to allow your car to move. So, if you have a driver, you can set a parameter for him and enjoy complete peace of mind. To set a geofence, go to More, go to Alert Services, activate Geofence Alert. Go to More and choose the center location of geofence boundary. Set the boundary name and radius. Click on Save. With the Time Fence Alert, you can set a limitation of time during which your car should not be driven. Go to More, go to Alert Services, activate the alert and click More. Set the parameters. Click on Save. In case you must hand your car over to the valet, no problem. The Kia Connect app notifies you when your car violates a set boundary, speed, and idle time parameters too. To set these parameters, go to More, go to Alert Services, activate the Valet Alert and click More. Set the parameters. Click on Save. Here are some more features that let you stay worry-free handing over your car. The Valet Mode makes your AANC inaccessible to anyone driving your car. Tap on Valet Mode icon. Enter PIN. Confirm PIN. Valet Mode activated. Once you come back, enter the PIN and deactivate the Valet Mode. In case you forgot the password, you can also stop the Valet Mode from the Kia Connect app. With all that worry out of your mind, it's time to put the pedal to the metal. But just in case it's someone else driving your car, the Kia Connect app will let you know if they are getting a little too enthusiastic on the open roads. To set your speed, go to More, go to Alert Services, activate the speed alert and click on More. Enter the speed limit. Click on Save. The Idle Alert function lets you know if someone has kept your engine running idle for too long. To set it up, go to More, go to Alert Services, activate the alert and click More. Set the idle time limit. Click on Save. Sometimes we hit speed bumps on our way. And if you find yourself stranded on the side of the road, don't despair. With just a click on the RSA button on your IRVM, you can connect with the Kia Connect call center and request quick support on location-based roadside assistance. Kia's advanced auto collision notification system sends out an automated alert to your emergency contact in case of airbag deployment. The Kia Connect call center may also reach out to you for facilitating emergency assistance. In a situation where quick on-field aid is needed, one push of the SOS button located on your car's IRVM is enough to get through to the Kia Connect call center for emergency assistance. In case you're out on an adventure, worrying about your car safety should be the last thing on your mind. The Kia Connect app keeps you updated with real-time notifications in case of any unauthorized access. On receiving the notification, you can live track your vehicle in the Live Vehicle Tracking section. Your car's movement will be displayed on the map. You can also connect for assistance from the Kia Connect call center for tracking your vehicle. But that's not all. To further relieve your stress, the Kia Connect call center assists you in immobilizing your vehicle remotely. That's how the Kia Connect app always keeps you safe and secure. Continue watching to find out how the ultimate connected car experience helps you navigate without a hitch.
Kia, movement that inspires.